welcome back. We've done 5a, 5b, 5b1, 5b2. Now we're doing 5b3. Let's just go through what we did. We're given that a is equal to x, and then we concluded that c2 is equal to x since angle A and angle c2 are angles in the same segment. And then we found that angle D3 is equal to x also because DB is equal to BC. So these are angles opposite equal sides. So D3 and C2 are equal and they're equal to x. And then we're given that O1 is 94 degrees. And then from that, we got that D2 and D1 are 43 degrees. Since these are interior angles of a triangle, and C1 and D2 and C1 and D2 are equal since they are angles opposite equal sides. OD and OC are radii. And then we found B1 plus B2. We started by finding O2 from the fact that O2 and O1 are angles around a point, meaning that O2 is 266 degrees. And then B1 plus B2 is 133 degrees, which is half of 266. Angle B1 plus B2 is subtended by the arc CD at the circumference, and angle O2 is subtended by the same arc CD at the center. So O2 is 2 times angle B1 plus angle B2 combined. Hence, or otherwise, to find the value of x. So hence, we have to use what we have so far. Right, we have triangle DBC. In triangle DBC, we have our angle B1 plus B2 combined, and then angle D3 is x and angle C2 is x. So if you add these three, you must get 180 degrees. These are interior angles of a triangle. So we can say x plus 133 degrees. That is in triangle DBC is equal to 180 degrees. And then these interior angles of triangle, right? And then this is like 2x is equal to 180 degrees minus 133 degrees. Then x is equal to 180 degrees minus 133 degrees divided by 2. Then x is equal to 23.5 degrees. Done.